Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to generate a short film using a short film prompt generator that creates prompts compatible with Seedance 2. I will click here and write a cinematic scene. Of course, you can upload your own film script and use it to get much better results, because this one is written by ChatGPT and tends to be generic. As you can see, it feels generic and doesn't have a strong story, so I don't really like the stories it generates, but for tutorials and demo purposes it works fine. As you can see, we have about 5 scenes, then our character, and here are the details. Okay, what we will do is generate one story first, then we generate the character image here, so let's do that first. It generated our character, so we can use it. Let's download it for now, and now I am going to generate the shots. Let's see, this is our setup. We generate all the shots, and there are 2 formats. One is a table format that we are going to copy, and the other can be used to generate on different platforms by copying it. It also works with CDNs, but it is missing dialogue and other elements, so what I will do now is capture all of this and move it here. Let's remove this one. We have removed our character and copied the prompt here. Then we are going to download our character. This was our character, so let's place him as the first one. Let's check what we have. Everything looks fine. We go here, click, remove this, and check again. This is a dark trailer, so let's generate and wait until it finishes. While it's working, we will do more shots. I can copy this as well. The reason I'm not doing the second scene video yet is because I want to see how the first one finishes, since it usually ends and starts from the next image, so maybe we can reuse something from the video. I copy everything, go back, click Edit, remove what we have, and paste the image here. Now let's see what it has. Again, we have the main character and another character. Let's generate the second character image as well, because we will probably need it. We create the image, and here is the second character. Let's download it and use it in the video. Now I select the screen, capture, remove the existing one, paste my character, and then paste the prompt. I capture the top table and paste it. Next, I select the style, and that's it. Then I download the video, I go to the last frame, capture it as a location reference, and everything looks fine. I add it and click Generate, then wait until it finishes. Once it's finished, we move to the next scene. Here you can reinforce your prompting by capturing this, removing the previous one, and replacing it. I download again. I don't like this appearance because it looks strange, so I remove the subject from the background to clean it up. Now it's finished, and we have a clean image that we can use. I upload it, add the style, and this time I reinforce the prompt by copying it, placing it here, moving the style to the bottom, and clicking Generate. Here are the results.
You always run toward the noise.
You're not security.
No, I'm retrieval.
I download this one as well, and you can regenerate if needed. There is a small glitch, but I will fix it later. There are 2 more scenes left, which I will skip. Now let's open CapCut and import the videos. We have about 3 clips, so I arrange them in order and start editing. I find the best moments, cut and move them to organize better, because sometimes clips start or end in the wrong place. It's easy to cut and reorder them. Even if the video isn't perfect, you can fix it in editing so everything feels correct. I cut the parts I like and remove the ones that don't add value. There is a glitch, so I remove it. Now it works fine, and I refine it a few more times. Next, I find music and add background audio. Then I usually add a layer to make it sharper and adjust color grading and other details. It starts to look much better. I also fix the audio, since CapCut has tools to clean it. If something still looks off, I go back and edit it. I remove strange appearances and fix continuity. For example, I replace a bad entrance with a proper shot of the character walking into the room so it feels natural. Sometimes wording or visuals can feel off, so adjustments help a lot. Finally, I export the video. I usually use 60 frames per second and 1080p, but you can go up to 2K or 4K if your computer can handle it. That's it. Export the video. Visit my Patreon to learn more, download additional tools, and get access to custom GPTs that help you create even better videos. And remember, use your own scripts, because ChatGPT is not very strong at writing scripts.
C'è qualcuno? Non è chiuso. Ci c'è. Devo nascondermi. Per favore.
You weren't meant to open it. Then you shouldn't have sent me.
You were never the courier. It was always me.
Mom, Dad, I have something important to tell you. I'm leaving for Argentina.
What? You are not going anywhere!
I'm not asking for permission. I'm just informing you.